In today's video, I want to talk about how I used Google's anti-gravity IDE, or Individual Development Environment, to build a daily report that is a series of agents that goes out to the internet, scrapes certain information across specific domains that I have requested, and aggregates that into a report for me. And so I chose anti-gravity here because of the free cost. I don't pay or subscribe to any LLM agents on a personal level or through work, and I can't code. So I was able to use this. A similar version might be something like Cursor, but what I sometimes do is I go to ChatGPT and I say, here's my problem statement, here's the outcomes I want to achieve. Sometimes I'll iterate on that. And in this case, I used ChatGPT like a prompt engineer and said I want a suite of agents that are all built in this Markdown format, which is super easy for me because it's all human readable, right? It's like a wiki format that you see here that's super easy for me to adjust with just human language. That is super easy for the LLM agent to interpret. This orchestrator runs over the top another series of agents up here that are also all these pre-built prompts, but written also in Markdown. And so here you just see some global rules, responsibilities, what that particular sub-agent should anticipate from an input, and what it should be delivering in sequential order as an output. And so every day I come in here and I tag my orchestrator agent and I say build today's report. I'm not going to do that right now. I've actually already built today's report, and I'll show you what that looks like. As an output, I like to build HTML files because that's super easy to share or visualize. And so here it's putting them all in these monthly folders. And here's today's report, where you can see an executive summary at the top. There's a bit of stock information here. Hey, look, the SPY is bearish today based on pre-market trading. Then I have the middle section for AI tooling, where I've asked it to basically give me an AI word of the day and then link some articles from relevant people that I'm interested in. And so here I have an opportunity to click a link and it takes me to the article that it's referencing. So if I want to learn more about a particular subject, I can read about that. And then at the bottom, I have hospitality tech. And this has been really valuable for my job because oftentimes I'll find something that's directly impacting my industry, and I can get a quick synopsis of what's happening and then share it with my coworkers with a link to the actual article. So I seem more up to date than maybe I really am because of this AI agent going out to the internet, finding the things that I'm most interested in, and then building me this report on a regular basis.